All right, let's do this. If you're here, you're ready to start coding, and you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're installing Python. This is the engine that powers everything from Instagram to tools used at NASA. It might sound super technical, but I promise we'll walk through it together. By the end of this, you'll have this powerful tool sitting on your computer, ready for you to build something amazing. So, are you ready to jump in? This isn't just about clicking install on some software. It's about unlocking a whole new world of skills. Let's get you set up.
I know this can seem a little intimidating, but we're going to break this whole thing down into a few really simple, manageable steps. First step, we've got to get the official installer.
First things first, we have to download the software. And here's a pro tip for any programming tool. You always want to go directly to the official source. This makes sure you're getting the clean, stable, and legitimate version without any weird surprises. It's honestly as easy as it looks. Just open up your web browser and head straight to python.org/downloads. The website is smart. It'll see what kind of computer you're on and suggest the perfect version for you right on the homepage. Just look for that big download button and give it a click. And you know, this automatic detection is such a nice little feature. It just takes all the guesswork out of it. You don't have to scroll through a long list wondering which file is right for you. Windows, Mac, Linux. It just knows. Super helpful. Okay, so you've got the file downloaded. Awesome. Now from here, the path kind of splits into three. The process is a little different depending on if you're on Windows, a Mac, or a Linux machine. So let's tackle each one. All right, Windows users, I need you to lean in for a second. I need your full attention because there is one tiny little checkbox that can make the difference between a super smooth setup and a world of frustration later. So once you run that installer file you downloaded, a window's going to pop up. And I want you to just pause. Look down at the very bottom of that window. You will see an option that says Add Python to Path. You have to check this box. Seriously, this is the single most common mistake people make. Once you've checked it, then you can go ahead and hit Install Now. So what on earth is this path thing, right? Well, think of it like adding a new contact to your phone's address book. By checking that box, you're telling your computer's command line, hey, remember where Python lives? That way, no matter what folder you're working in, you can just type Python and your computer knows exactly what you're talking about. It saves you from so many command not found errors.
I know I'm saying it again, but it is just that important. Before you click that install button, find this checkbox. It is the absolute key to a hassle-free setup. Trust me, future you will thank you for this. Okay, let's switch gears and talk to our macOS users. If you're on a Mac, you can take a nice deep breath. For you, this process is incredibly straightforward. You're just going to open up that downloaded package file, and a familiar installation wizard will pop up. From there, you just click continue a few times, agree to the terms, enter your password if it asks, and that's literally it. Python takes care of everything else behind the scenes. And now for our Linux crew, I've got great news for you. You probably already have Python installed. Most Linux distributions or distros come with it right out of the box because a lot of the system itself actually uses Python to run. But you'll want to make sure you have the latest and greatest version. So just open up your terminal and run two quick commands. First, type sudo apt update to refresh all your software lists. Once that's done, type sudo apt install python 3. That's it. Your system handles the rest. Easy peasy. All right, no matter what system you're on, you should have run the installer by now. So it's the moment of truth. Let's double check and make sure everything worked and that your computer actually knows Python is there. Time to verify our hard work. We're going to open up the command line and basically ask the computer, hey, did you see that new Python thing we just installed? First, you'll need to open what's called the command line. If you're on Windows, just search your start menu for command prompt. If you're on a Mac or on Linux, the app you're looking for is called Terminal. Okay, once you've got that text window open, I want you to type Python 3, a space, 2 dashes, and then the word version. Then hit Enter. Now, if that gives you an error, don't panic. Just try Python with 2 dashes and version instead. One of those two is going to be the magic ticket. And this. This is what you want to see. If your computer replies with the word Python, followed by a version number, like 3.12.0 or something similar, congratulations, you did it. Python is officially installed and ready to rock. So, Python is installed. Fantastic. But the installation actually comes with another incredibly powerful tool that you absolutely need to know about. Let's check on that right now. This tool is called Pipe.
Think of Pipe as Python's own personal app store. It's your gateway to a whole universe of free code libraries that other developers have built, which you can use in your own projects. It's a game changer. Now, the good news is that modern Python installations almost always include pip automatically. To check, just go back to that same command line window, and this time type pip --version and hit enter. As long as you see a version number pop up, you are ready to start installing all kinds of cool stuff. So to recap the big things, for my Windows folks, always add Python to your path. For everyone, your very next step should be to get a good code editor. Something like VS Code or PyCharm will make writing code way more enjoyable. And finally, just remember to update Python every now and then to get all the latest security fixes and features.
And that is really it. You're officially set up. The door to the world of coding is wide open. The only question left is the most exciting one of all. What amazing thing are you going to build first?